Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So we are here to discuss the chapter 7, that is we need water. Water is very essential for us, very necessary for us for our livelihood. It is a basic, even it is said now that our body parts, even we all human beings made of five things, and water is one of them. So I will analyze all the chapter 7 and summarize here in this video. I have prepared the PowerPoint presentation for you all. So here in our chapter there is sources of water is the first topic. Sources of water. There are two types of sources of water, that is natural sources, second man-made sources. Natural sources are those sources which are came from nature, means naturally. No human had made that sources. No contribution of man is there. That is created by nature, means God or environment by self. That are rain, ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans, and man-made sources, wells and springs. Okay, now I will describe one by one. Rain. Everybody know rain water. When it rain from the vapors, from the evaporation process, it raining, and rain is not used for the rain is the purest water, but for the drinking we don't use the rainwater, because when it rains it makes some gaseous part of our environment in itself, so that is it is harmful for our health, so we can't use direct rainwater for drinking. Ponds are also made from nature, like somewhere is the dig or somewhere is a hole in the in some area of village or anywhere else, there is collectively some water is naturally fallen there or collectively there, so that will be ponds. And lakes are more, ponds are sometimes man-made and ponds are made sometimes natural, sometimes man-made and sometimes natural. When human being made that when man made that pond, that is man-made. When it become naturally, that will be natural sources. Lakes, rivers, seas and oceans, these are the same things of water collections, but according to size these are differentiated by their names. Lakes are more bigger than the larger than the ponds, and rivers are more bigger than the lakes, and seas and are different. And now whales are found in these springs, and it from whales we can put out some water by the sometime by machine or sometime by thread. Spring are also same like that. Come to the third slide, that is water in homes. How we get water in our home, taps and all. Most towns and cities get water from river and lakes. The water from these sources purified at a water treatment plant, thus made safe for drinking. Means in cities and towns we get water from river and lakes. We use the water of river and lake, but directly we cannot use the river and lake water for our drinking or daily use purpose, because so many minerals and so many gaseous parts are so many gaseous things and harmful things are there in mixed in the river water and lakes. So water treatment plant in cities are there. They used to make the water clear or pure and safe for drinking. And this water treatment plant is that like a factory having the machines of puring the water. Now come to the fourth slide, that is storing water. How to store a water? Storing water, store water in a clean containers. Whenever you are going to store some water, just use the clean containers, like clean jug, clean container, means any container you are using for storing the water. Cover the containers. Never open the containers cap, because when you leave the cap outside of the container, then it becomes uncovered, and it become harmful for you, like when mosquitoes are going there and bees are going there, some dust are going there, and it will become harmful for you all, and you can't use that water for your drinking and some important or daily use need. Use clean scoop to take out water from big containers. If you are using the storing, if you are using a container, big container for the storing of water, and you are using your hand and all, you are dipping your hand in that container, that will be also harmful because of your hand virus. Hand virus and bacteria will go inside that water, and you become so your health becomes so ill, or you become sick because of that water. So you have to use clean scoop to means the handled container to bring out the water. Do not waste water. Never waste water. No, do not open tap and using your hand scrubbing like that. Just take water, close the tap and rub your hand, then open your tap and clean your hand, wash your hand. Never use the water as for wasting. Do not store water in leaking containers. Means from that container the water release slowly, and it become in the waste form. You cannot use that water. Now, safe handling of water. How you can safely handle the water, like for the drinking and all. Use the filtered water. So many filter machine are there in the market, and if you cannot afford that filtered machine, so you can use boil water before drinking. Just boil your water before drinking. You will be safe. So I have explained or analyzed or summarized that the chapter 7, we need water. So I am going to finish here. Thank you everyone.